welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Today I've been using the Diva 30-Day Mascara. I just thought I'd video this, seeing as we're in quarantine. We have no beauty salons at the moment and we can go out and see some people now from a 2-meter distance, and I don't want to see them. I don't want them to see me looking ugly. Like, I need to sort out my eyebrows next, but for now I've sorted out my mascara. So please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for 650 subscribers. It means the absolute world to me. And obviously I'm so close to 1k. I cannot wait. So I'm so grateful. I've been doing this for about 2 months now, I believe. And I just can't believe like the overwhelming amount of support I've got. So thank you. If you want to continue watching this video, please do. I'm not going to ramble on like I normally do. I'm just going to get straight into the video. And it's quite a short video because it's so hot outside. I cannot stay in this room with this ring light any longer. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, comment down below any more content you'd like me to see. I'm thinking of doing an at-home brow lamination. I'm slightly scared for, but these eyebrows need sorting desperately. So yeah, I'm just going to let the video roll in. This is the 30-Day Mascara I'm going to be using. As you can see, I believe, if the ring light isn't shiny, it's the Diva 30-Day Mascara Eyelash Kit, Eyelash Dye Kit for stunning natural lashes. And you can use this up to 12 times. I actually bought this in Savers. We have one in our local town. You get them all over the UK, and I just believe it's the UK. I am so bad at applying stuff like this, like fake eyelashes, everything. I cannot do it. I've not done my eyebrows yet, the whole of quarantine, because I'm actually terrified. But I've actually ordered a kit similar to this for another video. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. I have done a patch test, so please, if you're going to do one of these videos, do a patch test. Because obviously you don't want to go blind, like that is the main thing. So I'm really sorry if I keep looking down here, it's just that's where my mirror obviously is. And I'm just going to get straight into it. I've got the instructions, they just look like so, if you can see them. And it's pretty basic, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first of all, cleanse your eyelashes thoroughly with a non-oily cleanser in order to remove any makeup and natural oils. So I've actually just cleaned my face, so I'm just going to leave that one because I've literally just done it. Contact lens wearers should remove their lenses. So before dyeing, apply a small amount of thick cream or petroleum jelly around the eye. I'm going to go get some Nivea cream. I've just got some Nivea cream. You all know this one, just the standard. You literally get it everywhere. And I'm just going to go and apply that around the eyes. I don't know, like, do I rub it in or what? I'm not going to rub mine in because if I rub it in, I'm going to get it on my eyelashes. And it literally says, do not get it on your eyelashes. I'm just going to leave it like so. I look absolutely ridiculous right now, but I don't want to rub it in and get it on my eyelashes. Before dyeing, right, under the eyes, in order to keep the eyes protected, dip the tip of the cotton bud. I'm already confused. Oh, I think I put these underneath my eyes. Oh my god, it feels scary. Yeah, in order to keep the eye protection. Oh, so these just keep the eye protection papers in place. I hate putting these on. I was like, I only had to put it on the bottom of my eye. Oh, so I believe I don't know if I put them on the right way, but there we go. I actually think I only need to put these on the bottom of my eyes, but too late now. Dip the tip of the cotton bud into the eyelash. Right, so I'll just show you what I got in the little kit. So in the kit, I've just got the papers. I'm just going to hold them up. And then I've got the 30-Day Mascara Eyelash Colour Solution and the Eyelash Colour Gel. So that one there. And then it also comes with 2 cotton buds and a little spoolie. I love these things. I'll definitely be keeping this. So, I mean, it does come with everything you need other than the Nivea cream or whatever cream you wear. So dip the tip of the cotton bud into the eyelash colour solution 1. Right, oh, they're actually labelled and everything for you. Wow, this really is made for people who are idiots like me. So number 1 says number 1 on it as well, which is perfect for me. Dip the tip of the cotton bud into the eyelash colour solution and apply several coats onto the eyelashes so that they are soaked through. Right, I'm absolutely terrified. I'm terrified. I keep getting it on the top of my eyelash as well, like on the top of my eyelids, and I knew I would. Is that soaked through? I don't know. What do eyelashes look like when they're wet? I'm absolutely terrified. It probably won't even do anything. Right, I think that is my eyelashes soaked through. I don't know. So I leave this on for 1 minute, and without rinsing it, do not rinse it, I go into step 4. And then it says, hint, the longer the solution is left on, the darker the colour will be. In the case of the dark brown shade, shorten or length, the application time of the solution 1 depends on the darkness desired. Right, it's just, I don't know how long to leave it on for then. Should I leave it on for a couple of minutes? I don't know. Right, I'll be back with you in a minute. I'm absolutely terrified to see what they come out like. I feel like they won't even do anything to my eyelashes. And I've literally just got this headband on from B&A, and I can't find my bunny ear ones, and I feel disappointed doing a video without them. I'm going to leave this on for a couple of minutes and get back to you. But I've had the solution on for, I left it on for 2 minutes because it said hint, the longer you leave it on, the darker it will be. So we're just going to go in the next one. It says apply about 1 centimetre of eyelash gel onto the brush provided, and then work it through the bristles, and then brush through your lashes. So apply about 1 centimetre of eyelash colour gel onto the brush, work it into the bristles and brush through. Right, so this is the little brush they've given us. It's just like a spoolie. And then number 2, I love that these are numbered. It's just this here. So apply about 1 centimetre. I messed up, so it's not really 1 centimetre, but I just didn't put it on the whole way through. And it says apply a brush into the brushes and brush through. Is that for each one? Who knows? So I'm just applying this onto the lashes. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some more on because I feel like that was for one eyelash. And it just isn't doing anything else now. I mean, like, I can see my eyelashes getting longer and darker. It's whether it lasts or not. Right, I don't know if you can see any difference or not, but it says wait a minute and then rinse off the shampoo or soap with a wet cotton bud. So again, I'm gonna let you go, wait a couple of minutes and then wipe it off and see if it's made any difference or not. I've left it on for a couple of minutes and I'm just gonna take it off now. I don't feel like it's done really much difference, but we shall see. And I've just got a wet cotton pad to take it off with. See much, like I see a tiny bit of a difference. I'm gonna actually just brush my lashes through with my lash brusher. I mean, if I come up close, I think if I look up, like, I can see a bit of a difference. I don't know if it's going to come up on camera. I'm going to take some close-up shots of my lashes so I can show you them here. But like, I suppose if you have long lashes, like this would make a lot of a difference. My lashes are quite short, but I can definitely see a difference. Like they look better than what they normally do. Now, they do not look like what they'd look on the packet. But I suppose like on the packet it's ridiculous. Like my eyelashes ain't gonna look like that with some eyelash dye. But if you keep doing that, I suppose it would start taking to it more. But I'm actually quite impressed. And it was quite easy. I think next time I'd be a bit more like thorough with it. I wouldn't be as scared to do it. But it comes up with, it's 12 applications. And I believe it was like £4. I will link it down below because you can also buy it in Boots. It's just by Colour Sport London. But I am actually quite impressed. To be fair, like it's not really noticeable, but it is a difference, and I can notice it in person. I'm not sure it's going to pick up on camera, so as I said, I will take some close-ups and put them on the side for you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. It really appreciates me, and I'm so sorry I missed Monday's upload. It was a bank holiday, so I was spending time with the family, and I've done so well at 3 uploads a week. I thought one won't make that much of a difference. Hope you understand that I missed an upload, but I want to say thank you so much for reaching 650 subscribers. I've reached it today. I'm so close to 1k, and I cannot be more grateful. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below if you'd like me to do a test in like eyebrow laminations or something, or dye my eyebrows, because I literally never do anything to my own eyebrows. I just need the beauty salons to open up because I just need my lashes done, and I need my eyebrows done, and I need to sort out my tan because all I'm doing is burning because I'm so white. But I thought it'd be a bit of fun. You can maybe check out yourself if you are missing eyelashes, or like LVL lashes. I believe are quite similar, to be fair. But I really hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below what other content you want to see, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.